Does it come with its fair share of censorship once you involve the government?
Yes, of course. Even as an organization, we have been careful and being very honest over here of keeping the narrative very, very neutral,
Okay.
keeping religion out of it, keeping politics out of it,
Sensitivity. Yeah.
being sensitive. Because the thing is, while street art is a kind of an act against the authorities of sorts, right? Very back in the day, we thought that guys, there's no use being activists in this matter. Yes, talking about important social topics in a nice, positive manner is the need of the hour. If we want to grow as an organization, if we want to have work out there in the public spaces, being sensitive of that, you can talk about this, but the way you talk about it, it's for us, it's not going and standing and agitating on something or things like that. For us, it's more taking that positiveness out of it and really keeping politics, religion out of these conversations, because it's something way bigger than what we understand, and it's something.
Okay.
It's not for us. We are, as an art organization, want to put art out there. We want to bring positivity to the streets. We want to contribute in the public spaces in the new tier 2, tier 3 cities which are coming up, the new urban cities. And I think there's a lot to be done. The other approach could have been, let's just become hardcore activists and let's just protest on everything which is happening. But where will that take you at this point? I mean, ours is a soft approach, it's a different approach. And making sure everyone is together and bringing some of the lights and conversations in a different way, in a positive way. So that's what we try to do with our projects. I don't see anyone in our bureaucracy being so mature, giving you permission for a topic which that present state government doesn't believe in. We're not that mature as a society as well. So, and it was never that for us. I don't know, Dhanish, if you have anything to add.
I think the most important has been to engage. I think that engagement or wanting to have that apprehension, I think it's very easy. And here we've been trying to engage irrespective of whichever government it is that we are working with. And I think people have also been very receptive, and we've also pushed our boundaries, and we've also pushed them to, take our creative inputs in as much as possible and be, away from, trying to stir controversies or try to get attention. Our idea has always been that wanting to, yes, push the boundaries of creativity, but avoiding that unwanted, attention in terms of wanting to create something which will create that attention for a momentary thing. I would rather have a thought-provoking artwork which will provoke thought even beyond that controversy. That's the kind of approach that we've always seen ourselves, having.